Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website. In this video, we'll go over how to use custom sorting in Power BI. Custom sorting allows you to sort a table the way that you would like for it to show. This video is mainly for developers. Let's start by loading our data into Power BI. We'll click on Get Data, then Excel, and we'll select our file and click on Open. We'll click on Sheet 1 over here and then click on Load. We can click on Data over here and see the file we imported in. Going back to the report, we'll click on Stacked Column Chart and select our product and total sale value from the Fields column. We'll expand the visualization and we can click on more options here to sort by ascending or descending order. If we want to sort the visualization by product instead of total sales, we'll click More Options, Sort By, and then select Product. Now let's say we want to get our other value on the end. We'll click here to create a table that we did very similar to our previous quick tip. We'll input all the values we would like to see in this table, and when everything looks good, we'll click on Load. After that, we'll go to Model over here and create a relationship between product and car. Then, we'll go to Data and we'll right-click by Sheet 1 and select New Column. We'll input a DAX equation here calling our table sort equals related to custom sort of sort. Then close the parenthesis and then click Enter to finish. We can see our table called sort over here with the values we inputted in for it. Lastly, we'll click on Product, then click the Sort By Column button over here, and we'll click Sort. Going back to our report, we can see that Other has been moved to the end. Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.